Listen carefully. The smart speaker on your nightstand is officially ancient. For 5 years, the original HomePod Mini has been the gateway to the Apple ecosystem. It was small, it was cute, and it was good enough. But in 2026, good enough is dead. Right now, inside the supply chain pipelines from Vietnam to China, a device codenamed B525 is reaching mass production. This is the HomePod Mini 2. And if the internal leaks from the iOS 26 beta are even half true, Apple isn't just releasing a new speaker, they are launching a full-scale assault on your living room. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Why has Apple waited half a decade to refresh its most popular home product? Why are major US retailers like Target and B&H suddenly marking the current models as discontinued? And most importantly, why is the HomePod Mini 2 being called the most important AI bridge Apple has ever built? If you've been frustrated with Siri saying, "I'm on it," while a spinning white light does absolutely nothing, you need to hear this. We are breaking down the massive S10 silicon jump, the secret Sunrise connectivity chip, and the debut of Apple Intelligence in a form factor that fits in the palm of your hand. This isn't just a spec bump. This is the moment the smart home actually becomes smart. The silicon surge. Why your Siri is dumb. Let's be honest. Siri in the current HomePod Mini feels like it's stuck in 2019. And that's because it is. It runs on the S5 chip, the same processor from the Apple Watch Series 5. It's trying to manage a modern smart home with the brain of a 5-year-old watch. The HomePod Mini 2 is rumored to skip several generations and land squarely on the S10 or even a modified A18 architecture. Why does this matter? One word: latency. In the US, where we have the fastest fiber internet in the world, the bottleneck isn't your Wi-Fi, it's the processor inside your speaker. The HomePod Mini 2 is designed for on-device processing. When you ask it to turn off the lights, it doesn't need to send that request to a server in Virginia and wait for a reply. The S10 chip handles the logic locally. We are talking about near-zero latency. You speak, and the room reacts before you've even finished your sentence. But the real reason for this massive chip upgrade is Apple Intelligence. Apple is rebuilding Siri from the ground up to be a personal context assistant. The HomePod Mini 2 will be the first compact speaker capable of understanding who is speaking, where they are in the house, and what they've asked for in the past. It's moving from a voice-activated light switch to a digital butler that actually knows your routine. Connectivity. No more handoff lag. We've all been there. You walk into your kitchen, you tap your iPhone to the top of your HomePod to hand off your music, and nothing. You wait. You tap it again. Finally, it connects. That frustration ends with the HomePod Mini 2. Apple is reportedly introducing the N1 wireless chip and an upgraded U2 ultra-wideband sensor. This is a game changer for the American household. With Wi-Fi 6E support, the HomePod Mini 2 can tap into the 6 GHz spectrum, cutting through the interference of your neighbor's router and your microwave. The Handoff 2.0 experience is rumored to be proximity aware. You won't even need to tap the speaker anymore. As you walk into the room with your iPhone